Welcome everyone. In today's movie we're going to look at linear regression analysis, and we're going to fit a prediction interval for a particular value of x on that trend line. In this movie we're going to use SPSS. In a previous movie we used Excel, and remember there's the Excel solution, so there's your data set there, XY, and this is the Excel method, which is quite complicated. They're the equations that we're using, etc. So it's quite complicated using Excel. You can do it, but you've got to create all the equations and so on. So my value of x was 60. The y at the regression line value, x equal to 60, is 6520.8 to one decimal place. The prediction, 95% prediction interval was 5956.55 to 7085.00, etc. Using SPSS is a lot easier. So let's go to SPSS. Let's go to the data set. So there's my data set, which is the same, exactly the same as before. Now please note we want to add in x equal to 60. So at the end of this data set, the original data set, we put x equal to 60 there. Okay, and then all we need to do now is to click on Analyze, click on Regression, click on Linear because we want linear regression. Okay, and now if I just take those out of there for just 1 second. So our dependent variable is visits abroad. Our independent variable is the employment level, that's x. Now if you want statistics, then you can ask for the statistics just like normal, etc. Okay, I'll leave it like that for the time being. Okay, you can click on plots if you want some plots, say. So I'll leave it like that, but you can do whatever you need. But the solution is, if we click on save, can you see here it says prediction intervals? Now you can do the prediction interval on the mean value, or you can do the prediction interval on the individual value, and we want 95%, just like we did in Excel. Okay, then all we need to do, so it's this bit there that's of importance to us, to fit a prediction interval to the individual where XP is 60. So we click continue, click OK. Okay, now it'll put the regression coefficient information just like normal in the output file, but in the data file it will give you your numbers. So you'll see here, look, this is the confidence interval based upon the mean value for x is 60, but this is the prediction interval, the 95% prediction interval for when x is equal to 60 for this regression line. And as you can see, it's 5956. Now if I just bring up the Excel solution, if I just minimize that, and if I just drag this across, oops, sorry, apologies. If I just drag that across there, and if I scroll down, there we are. So you'll be able to see, look, there we are. 1 second, nearly there. Oh, there we are. So you can see there, look, that the lower 95% prediction interval is 5956.55. So it's 5956.55 to do decimal places. Okay, and the upper value, that should say plus, by the way, is 7085.00. So that should be y at plus e, and that is y at minus e. So that's the lower bound, and that's the upper bound. Okay, so using SPSS is quite easy to fit a prediction interval to this data set. Okay, bye for now.